So we'll start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky, placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Now interlace the fingers, palms up towards the sky. Inhale, straighten the arms. Exhale over to the left. And inhale, center. Exhale, arms down. So inhale, lengthen and straighten. Exhale to the right. Inhale back. Exhale down. So again, inhale. Exhale over. Inhale back. Exhale down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale, down. Now we'll twist. So inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, back. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, down. One more each side. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Bring the arms down. We're coming into a roll down. So we're trying to keep the legs straight if we can, but you can bend the knees if you want to. So we tuck the chin into the chest, roll down through the spine, and aim the top of the head towards the ground wherever you get to. Now inhale before you come up and exhale as you're rolling on up through the spine. So with the breathing, we'll inhale, exhale, chin to chest. So you may need a few breaths depending on how far you go. So you get to your point and then inhale before you exhale and roll back up through the spine. Scooping that belly button in. We'll do one more. Inhale, exhale, chin to chest. Maybe keep breathing. And then inhale, exhale, roll back out. And breathe. So working on the balance and the lower joints, we're bringing that left leg up and working into the hip joints. So you can keep the arms out if you need the extra help for balance, or maybe even hands to the hips. And then we'll rotate the other way, just within a comfortable range, so it shouldn't feel painful or awkward. And it can be a small movement. So onto the other side, and just rotating into that right hip. So just notice if one side feels different from the other. And the other way. And bring that leg down. And then bring that left leg up, bending the knee and rotate into the knee joint, keeping the foot still. There's a tendency to try and rotate the ankle as well as the knee. And then we'll go the other way. And bring that leg down. So bending the right knee, so fingertips to the kneecap. And rotate into the knee joint. And the other way. And bring that leg down and finally onto the ankles. So holding onto the knee, crown to the sky. rotating the ankle joints and the other way. And bring the leg down onto that right ankle and just rotate as deep into the ankle joint as you can. You go one way and then the other. Then bring that leg down. I'm coming into high lunge with the left foot forward, right foot back, both sets of toes facing forwards. The back heel's up, front knee bent, and we can keep the hands to the chest, or we're going to come into a high twist. So inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale back, exhale, twist. Inhale and exhale, inhale, exhale. One more this side. Inhale, center, exhale, twist. Inhale, bring the arms down, sweep the back leg forwards. So starting with that hip distance, taking the left leg back, right leg forwards with the right knee bent. Left heel is up. Either stay here or bring the arms out, and we'll inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale back, exhale. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale back, bring the arms down, bring the back leg forwards, and we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. With one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. And keeping the belly soft, and feel that small expansion on the in-breath. And we'll bring the arms down, and we're all done.